everyone! In this short tutorial I will show you how to make the stacked single crochet, which is a replacement of the 3 turning chains. It's very simple and I will now show you how to do it. Turn your work and do not chain. Work a single crochet in the first stitch. Now work another single crochet in the diagonal loop over here. And that's it. That's the stacked single crochet. We basically worked 2 single crochet on top of each other, which is the height of a double crochet. And now we simply continue working a double crochet in each stitch. At the end of the row, we will work the last double crochet in the single crochet. And that's it. Simply continue doing this, so we turn our work, work a single crochet in the first stitch, and then we work a single crochet in the diagonal loop. And that's it, our first double crochet.